Guys, I found more mukbang videos. Let's react. Okay, first one is Redneck Funkin' Chinese Food. Mukbang, FNF Animation Mukbang by OGG Gamebox. Go sub to them. I do not own these videos. Do not attack or harass any channels mentioned in this video. Got it? Good. Alright, we're back with OGG Gamebox. Let's watch it. A-Start. And also we'll do A-Start in this video. Wait. Rube is not friendly. He attacks. He's not very a nice person. The kid gave him food. Nice. Any of the creators in this video, if you're watching this, the animation is good, but you choose to choose Roof, a massive serial killer? Like, bro. Jeez. Anyways, let's watch an A-Start. Please do not hate any of these videos I mention. I do not mean any hate to them. We'll watch Anime Chibi, Hot vs. Cold, Mukbang, Takoyaki, Redneck Funkin' Animation. Fire Boys A-Start. Ooh, hot. This is cold. Oh, what? Spoilers. Anyways. Not bad. I like it. Rip Tricky. Anyways, that was it. Bye, guys.